Hello, so on this video I'm going to teach you how to enable standby mode. So first things first, please open your settings application, and then this should be the landing page of settings, right? You just need to look under Generals tab, this option right here, standby mode. And then by the way, a quick reminder that this standby mode is only available for iOS 17. So please update your iOS first before proceeding on this tutorial. So simply click on standby and by default standby mode should be enabled. So please make sure this is green, and then I can assure you your standby mode is turned on right now. Now how to see properly, you need to lock your screen and then make sure this lock icon is turned off, because standby mode would not be enabled if that lock screen is turned on, because standby mode technically is in landscape. Okay? And that's it actually. I cannot really show you right now because it will ruin the screen recording. However, just lock your screen and then charge it via wired or wireless and then put it in a horizontal or landscape position, okay? So thank you so much for watching. That's how you use standby mode. Please hit the like button, subscribe. I'll catch you guys on the next one, okay? Goodbye for now.